guys, it's Mariah here at Riker Ford. Here's the 2025 Bronco Outer Banks with the Sasquatch package. Your blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel, off-roading abilities there, garage door opener, power seats. In the back, you have a one tunable wall outlet. Is the Sasquatch decal. This is the Marsh Gray exterior. In the back, you have some storage bags for the front doors, the top two panels, and the back doors. You also get this added accessory here. It's a little table. So if you were to go camping or tailgating, you can. There's also a 12-volt charging hole there. So if you would like to know more about this Bronco, give us a call and we'll be happy to help you out.